Okay, last October, I have started the review of Dean Holland's book, The Iceberg Effect, and today's video is about chapter 2. Basically, the chapter 2 started by highlighting the story of two guys, John and Bob. They both joined internet profit around the same day. If you want to learn more about internet profit, please feel free to click the link in the description. What happened to our two guys? When John is focusing on his program, going step by step, applying concept by concept, Bob was busy buying other programs, opting in some new emails, reading new strategies on top of what he already have. So a few weeks later, John ended up by making his free box online. Guys, yeah, the feeling is amazing, really. So it's the day where you start getting your commission coming through. The feeling is great. So what happened to Bob? So Bob is obviously continuing his old ways of doing things. If you want to learn more about how two people will join the same program, they will get access to the same training, yet different results. So if you want to know the psychology behind that, there is a free book in the description that's called Iceberg Effect Book that I'm reviewing right now, so you can access the link in the description. Let's change the speed right now very quickly and talk about fear. I'm not talking about of snakes or lions, whatever. No, not this kind of fear, but those fears inside us, fears to speak up, fear to speak your mind, so those type of fears actually. So because there is also fear of failure, so we don't have to fear failure. We need to embrace challenges, we need to embrace those fears, and learn from them. By learning from them, we grow from there, and there is fear of failure, and there's also fear of success. So some people are afraid to be famous or to have success, so there is all those type of fears that are also described in the book. So the book ends with two interesting concepts, like the attitude. Yeah, we need to have the right attitude, the right mindset in any business, because business, especially affiliate marketing, is tough. Sometimes you don't have sales. Let's say most of the time you don't have sales, you don't have commissions. It can be 1 year, 6 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Yeah, but you need to keep going. You need to keep going. It's not like a salary, where you get paid every month. So basically, if you want to make money quick, just take a day job. But a business, it's a long-term game. It's a mindset. So that's where the attitude aspect is coming in here, right? And also we need to take responsibilities for our own decisions. Sometimes we blame others for our decision, our mistakes. So we need to take ownership. Yeah, we buy this program or this program, so it's up to us to focus, trust the system, work hard and smart to make it work. Okay guys, if you like what you have seen, please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will say see you in the next video.